Hello, hi everyone. This is Shrija. Welcome to Skinorial, where I talk all things skincare. So if you like skincare related content, then make sure that you subscribe. Likewise, you can also follow me on Instagram, where I post more regularly. So this video is dedicated to you all, the ones who suffer from this burning and tingling sensation while applying skincare products. The ones who are still experiencing that tight and discomfort feeling even after using tubs of moisturizers, and basically the ones who are suffering from a condition called sensitized skin. Now, all of us suffer from certain type of skin irritation at some point in our lives. It can vary from like a mild red rash to a full-blown irritation. And I understand it is very easy to blame our skin irritation or inflammation as to just simply having a sensitive skin. But I think it is very important to distinguish between the two. Sensitive skin is a skin type wherein one has a skin which reacts very easily to certain ingredients in skincare like fragrance, essential oils, and even to like common ingredients like fatty alcohols. Whereas sensitized skin is a skin condition that we create by using wrong type of skincare products, by following nonsensical DIYs online, and by using products that are not suited for our skin. So if you have had a strong skin barrier throughout your life and suddenly your skin is acting up and you are experiencing irritation and inflammation, then you might be suffering from a condition called sensitized skin. And today I'm going to talk about few products that will help calm down your sensitized skin. So starting with product number 1, and that is Purito Centella Unscented Serum. This is such an excellent serum for repairing your skin barrier and soothing ingredients. Of course, one of the key ingredients is centella, but what I really like about this serum is that Purito has also included ceramides and 4 different types of peptides. So this serum can really help boost up collagen production in your skin. Also, if you're suffering from a sensitized skin, or in general you have sensitive skin and you cannot tolerate other types of actives like vitamin A or vitamin C, basically the actives that are touted as anti-aging actives, then I highly recommend that you give this serum a try. It's indeed a great product for repairing your skin barrier, but alongside it is also a great product for making you age gracefully. Moving on to the second product, and that is Rovectin White Lotus Moisturizer. This moisturizer is such a simple, no-fuzz moisturizer that works so well for oily combination and dehydrated skin. However, do keep in mind that if you have extremely dry skin, then you might need to layer it up with an occlusive, and this alone won't be enough for you. Otherwise, if you have normal skin, oily skin, combination skin, skin that is prone to acne, this moisturizer is an excellent choice for you. It is of course free from essential oils, it is free from any artificial fragrance, and this cream particularly is made up of 75% lotus water extracts, which is very soothing for your skin. Though keep in mind that the data for the claims is limited, but still I am personally using this product and it just immediately gets absorbed into your skin and provides that instant calming effect. Alongside lotus water extract, this cream also has niacinamide, which is a great brightening ingredient, panthenol, which is again such a soothing ingredient for your skin, and glycerin, which is an excellent humectant. The next product in my list is probably one of my favorite products or favorite finds of 2020, and that is Cosrx Nail Mucin. I have used multiple bottles of this product and I will still continue to purchase it because it is such a simple product with excellent properties. The Cosrx Nail Mucin contains approximately 96.3% snail filtrate and is great for you if you're suffering from PIE, PIH, irritation, and any skin redness. Upon application, it immediately hydrates your skin, and with continuous use, you can definitely see that your PIH and PIE is fading faster. In my opinion, this serum really speeds up wound healing and is an excellent product for someone who is suffering from inflammation. Also, this product can act as a great humectant to layer under your moisturizer. No, I don't recommend using this product alone, even if you have oily skin, because you need to understand that this product is a humectant and you need to seal it in with a proper occlusive. So yes, layering it under your moisturizer can work really well. It will definitely give a slight healthy glow to your skin. Next product on my list is very simple drugstore moisturizer. It's called Aqua Oats Soothing skin lotion. This one also has a cream variant. I haven't tried that personally because I have oily skin, but lotion works really well if you have oily to combination skin. If you have dry skin, definitely give the cream version a try. The formulas are almost similar, except the cream has more occlusive ingredients as compared to the lotion. The key ingredient, of course, is oats. Oats is one of my favorite ingredients in skincare, and it is such an excellent ingredient for soothing and repairing your skin barrier, and also for reducing irritation and inflammation in your skin. So if you're looking for a barrier repairing moisturizer which is budget friendly, definitely give this one a try and you won't be disappointed. The last moisturizer on this list is, this one is definitely more suited for normal and dry skin types. However, I have personally used this and I did not experience any issue, but do keep in mind that if you're prone to acne, please do a patch test before. This is a slightly thicker moisturizer and I don't like using it during daytime. I have personally used it during nighttime and is excellent for repairing your skin barrier. Literally, if you are suffering from dryness, irritation and itchiness and even burning and tingling sensation, you will start to see results within 2 to 3 days. It's that great. So if you can tolerate heavier occlusive moisturizer, a Bioderma one is an excellent choice for repairing your skin barrier. Now, I don't think my product recommendation for sensitized skin can be complete without talking about sunscreens. It's not like I don't talk about sunscreen in my every video, but I think it is very important to emphasize that if you have a sensitized skin, it is extremely important to protect it from UV rays. I understand the struggle because when your skin is sensitized, even applying a simple moisturizer burns and stings, and so is the case with sunscreen. So I highly recommend going for like a moisturizing, hydrating sunscreen that is free from unnecessary ingredients. Speaking of which, I recently tried Avène SPF 30 Day Protector, which is a very good option if you're suffering from irritation and inflammation. Keep in mind it's SPF 30, so you might need to reapply it frequently. I'm not personally comfortable using anything below SPF 50, but because this sunscreen was getting such good reviews, so I decided to try it out for myself. The consistency is similar to Korean sunscreen and it almost feels like a moisturizer on your skin. So definitely, if you're fine with using SPF 30, this is a great choice for you. It also contains thermal spring water, which is again good for soothing down irritation in your skin. This one works great even if you have oily and acne prone skin. It's not sticky, it won't leave any white cast, it's not greasy at all. So yes, if you're fine with using SPF 30, definitely give this one a try and you won't be disappointed. That is all I have for you guys today. Feel free to share your favorite barrier repairing products for sensitized skin, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you're still here watching this video, then please consider subscribing, and also don't forget to share my channel with your friends and family, as this will really help me grow. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.